Good morning, followers, friends, and students. Dr. Jimmy Henderson here, Dr. Jimmy's Tips. Today I'm going to talk briefly on listening skills, which is actually part of the counseling process, but it's very easy to follow when you want to talk to friends or listen to your friends and help them possibly through some of their personal problems. The first thing to do, obviously, is to allow them to tell their story. And as they tell this, in fact, encourage them to tell their story. And as they tell the story, prompt them to keep them talking, keep them talking. Obviously, you're going to do this with empathy and support, and pointing out to them ideas that they come up with, insights that would help them to cope with the situation. I want them to actually feel something of the original experience, so that they can possibly become emotional and let go of some of the pain and the discomfort that they're experiencing. So you help them through the story, you stand by them, walking them through the process, and until you reach a point where you come to the other stages of the counseling process, which I'm not going to discuss today. If you do want to know more about counseling, have a look at my book, A Comprehensive Guide to Crisis Counseling, which is available on Amazon and Drafted Digital, as well as my book on dealing with trauma, which is also available on the same platforms. This particular book is actually used by a local NGO, counseling NGO here in Durban, South Africa. And it's very, very good for training institutions, for universities, counseling centers, because it covers everything, all the stages of the counseling process. So I would recommend you, if you are busy with counseling or you want to start a center or NGO, you need to get this book for your students as a textbook. Thank you. I want to thank you for your time. And then hopefully next time we'll deal with further stages of the counseling process. Thank you.